Through security checks before Olympic events start is a concern for both people with tickets and for Olympic organizers.
Flock's using a computer simulation company based here in Utah to try to figure it all out and to try to keep those lines moving. News specialist Sam Penrod's live overlooking the Medals Plaza with more.
Deanie and Bruce, to get into the area around the Medals Plaza and all of the Olympic venues, it will require going through security, of course. So the challenge for this company was trying to estimate what it will take to get thousands of people through those security checks without keeping them standing in line. ProModel, based in Orem, uses computer simulation to generate models of how something will work. In this project, they tried to determine the fastest way to realistically get spectators through metal detectors at Olympic venues.
So what we allowed them to do is actually test out those plans and find the best way to get the people into the venues in a secured manner and the shortest wait times.
This is the first time computer simulation has been used in planning for Olympic events. Instead of using mathematical formulas, this process allows a measurement of how a process will work over a period of time.
What simulation does, it allows you to view the changing and dynamic interaction of all these activities over time, which gives you a more accurate representation of what the real system is.
Senior consultant Jeff Levy and other members of his team have worked over the last several months modeling transportation from park and rides to venues. Recently, they were assigned to determine how tighter security checks would delay spectators getting into the venues.
And what we did is we ran our simulation, which varied the time and made each individual going through the queue at a different time. And then we looked over a space of time what the average time would be through the queue. And that would accurately represent pretty much real life.
For example, there are 3 security check locations around the Medals Plaza, Delta Center, and press facilities at the Saal Palace. ProModel's data suggests that even at peak times, the wait to get through security should be less than 15 minutes. Not bad considering nearly 30,000 people will be trying to get in only an hour and a half. Still, the lesson to learn from this story, the earlier you get to the venues, the less time you'll spend getting through security. Bruce and Deanie.
All right, thanks, Sam.